Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone, ready to draw the updated Doctor Edgar from Brawl Stars? This character is super fun to create, and we're going to break it down step by step. Make sure you have a pencil, an eraser, and some paper ready to go. Having these basic supplies will make the process much smoother. We'll make this drawing journey enjoyable and simple for you to follow along. Let's start with the fundamental shapes for Doctor Edgar. Begin by lightly sketching a circle for his head right near the top of your page. Then, just below that, draw a slightly larger oval for his main body. Remember, these are just your foundational guides, so draw them very lightly. We'll be refining these shapes as we add more details. Now, let's bring Dr. Edgar's face to life. Sketch his unique goggles across the upper part of his head, then add his small, mischievous smile below them. Next, carefully draw the large, soft outline of his doctor's hat, making sure it sits nicely on his head. Don't forget to include that instantly recognizable medical cross emblem right on the front of his hat. Time to add Dr. Edgar's signature outfit. Carefully outline his long, flowing doctor's lab coat, making sure it extends down past his body. Next, draw his iconic long, striped scarf. Show it draped around his neck and flowing dramatically. Pay attention to how the fabric naturally folds and creases. This adds so much personality to his look. You're almost there. Now, it's time to refine all of your initial sketch lines, making them darker and more confident. Add subtle shadows and highlights to give your Dr. Edgar drawing wonderful depth and dimension. If you like, grab your colored pencils or markers to bring him to vibrant life. You've done a fantastic job creating your very own updated Dr. Edgar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.